2023 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 39,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.